So there are some I said that क्या हमने देखा था, there is a Darwin-Davis theory has been supported by the, we can say that when the Pacific, especially in the Pacific Ocean plate, there is several large evidences are there. There is a stage development of, I said, fringing reef, barrier reef, and atoll, and even the remnants has been found in the below, where there is along with the volcanic rocks, along with we have, I said that corals are there. But some theories also, some evidences in the form of I said the fringing reef and barrier reef on the same island, limiting this theory. That there is a limitation means on the how it can be possible. One side I said that formation of fringing reef, on the other side there is a formation of barrier reef. This way this theory can be what is criticized. And the next one that we have to see, like I said, so we are finding till the 600-400 meter depth we are finding. So that it is in a remnants, it is there in itself. We have been able to find out the remnants till the deeper depth. That is in a kind of what is in a, by drilling and all. जो भी कहोगे वही same चीज है. कि हम लोग we are still able to find what by understanding the remnants of the along with the volcanic rocks we are able to find corals. So it means that the corals cannot form below 60 meter, and how it is available at 300, 400 meter, 500 meter. It shows that the island is what is subsided. Understood? तो उसी में वो सारी छोटे लाइन में सारा पॉइंट कवर हो चुका है. रेमिनेंट्स का मतलब क्या है? इट इज अवेलेबल थ्रू द ड्रिलिंग एंड ऑल. Next one I said that in this one standstill theory given by Murray. Standstill theory given by Murray. He said that the major important part that this theory has not been accepted, but I said that but this theory has played in some role to an extent that it has been given coral formation. He talked about the sea level is stable. He talked about that the land is not subsiding. That is the sea level, and then all the continent is stable. Understood it? I said that sea level and continent, this is the first point that he is emphasizing, and the second point he is emphasizing that there is a 60 meter depth or 30 fathom. We have what is a coral polyps can what is grow up to this. These are the points he put, and thereafter he started giving his theory. He talked about there is a stable platform. Several submarine platforms are there which are forming along the volcanic islands and other kind of islands, and possibly geodes. So one thing is that we should be clear in our mind. He said that neither sea level is changing, nor I said that continental landmass. Means all are, I said that stable. Means sea level and submarine platforms are everything, I said that stable. He said that neither continent is subsiding, nor I said that sea level is rising or going down. This point it is completely fixed. Sea level is not rising, and then the submarine platform is where the corals are growing. It is not going upward. If the continent is not subsiding and going upward, so it will remain same. But on the basis of continental plate tectonic theory, we know that the nothing is what? Stable. Understood is? And we can be able to see, and another point he said that there is they can live up to the only 30 fathom. He said the coral can live only up to the depth of 30 fathom, and or we can say that 60 meter. The corals can grow upon suitable stable marine platform with the unchanging sea level. इसका मतलब है वही कि sea level will not change, but it will grow. The corals किस पे grow होगा? Suitable submarine platform. अब what he said that one point he said that if the submarine platform is above the sea level, he said that if the submarine platform is above the sea level, they will what? Eroded by the sea waves and all till the depth of 60 meter. Okay, till the depth of, yes, I said that if the sea level submarine, if the submarine platform is above the sea level, then under the what is an I said that erosive forces by the wave, they can be what is an eroded up to the depth of the 60 meter, and thereafter there is a growth of corals, and then fringing reef, barrier reef can be formed. And another he said that already submarine platform is below the sea level. Earlier we have seen that the submarine platform where it is growing, it is above the sea level, then it has been eroded till the depth of 60 meter, and he said that submarine platform is above the sea level, below the sea level until the depth where it is, and I said that below the sea level, or it is suppose 100 meter depth is there, then the deposition can make it up to the 60 meter. Understood it? So if I have anyhow the depth is coming up to the what is the submarine platform का depth कहाँ आ रहा है 60 meter. He is fixing the submarine platform is depth is 60 meter. Again I said that if submarine platform is above the sea level and there is a platform and it is above the sea level, then the sea wave will keep on cutting till the depth of 60 meter. And another he said that if the submarine platform is below the sea level, then by deposition it will be make up to the what 60 meter. So these are the 2 points he said that if submarine platform above the sea level, they are subject to the what is an erosion done by the different forces of the sea wave erosion. If the submarine platforms are below sea level, they are subjected to the what is an deposition of marine sediment that they have been able to come to the depth of 60 meter. Understood? So, and thereafter, after getting a suitable and 60, I said that 60 meter depth or 180 feet or 30 fathom all are same. After getting this kind of depth, the fringing coral polyps started growing and they are able to form, I said that fringing reef. Clear? कहाँ पर बना रहे हैं? क्या बनाया first? Fringing reef. And thereafter continuous, then he said that thereafter the continuous outgrowth of corals has led to the formation of, I said that, yes tell me, continuous outgrowth of corals have been able to give a formation of barrier reef. So I said that he has talked about the formation of, I said that fringing reef, and then I said that further atolls are formed due to the outgrowth of corals in all direction at the top of the submarine platform. Understood? So simply he said that the platform is fixed. Submarine platform 60 meter जहाँ पे coral will start growing, and he has emphasized the rate of growth and which direction of growth. Initial growth has given attached to the coast, and it is known as I said that 60 meter depth attached to the coast. 60 meter depth से grow कर रहे हैं, but it started growing outward, and extensive outward growth further it has given what? Yes, barrier reef. And if this outward growth continued and surrounded all the geographical region, and then it is considered, and I said that which one? Atoll. Simple. After getting suitable depth of 185, and then coral polyps start growing to the fringing reef, and then continuous outgrowth coral barrier reef, and then continuous outgrowth corals in the simple direction at the top of submarine. And lagoon side of the stall is, he said that dead, जहाँ पे lagoon है toward the interior side, toward the coastal, all the lagoons are, corals are in the dead, and then while seaward side have a living corals. He said that seaward has a living corals which continuously grow outward. तो यहाँ बोल रहे हैं कि जो the coral which are growing outward, they have a live, and the coral towards the lagoons are dead. Understood? And यदि इस ऐसा situation है, the lagoon should be filled up by the debris. Yes or not? Lagoon should be filled up, and there they can flow outward toward this side, and they can affect the outer corals. यहाँ से fresh water and other condition can come out, and then it can, जब तक ये भरता रहेगा, then I said that it will be कई पानी, debris and all, then it can lead to the इसी point को Davis ने क्या बोला? Davis has criticized that how a kind of standstill theory can be possible if there is another lagoon can filled up, and then I said that it can affect the outer growth of corals. It can affect the outer growth of corals. So this is the way we can criticize, but it is criticized at several level. I said that marine erosion, and पहला कि उन्होंने बोला कि erosion कहाँ तक हो जाएगा? Yes, प्लेटफॉर्म देने के लिए कहाँ तक हो सकता है? प्लेटफॉर्म 60 फीट तक 35 तक and then this kind of erosion cannot be happen up to the 60 meter. Sea level is not changing, then how it can be? If the sea level keep on changing, then 60 feet can be possible. He said that if the sea level is not changing, the sea wave cannot be effective till the 60 meter depth, and therefore the sea wave erosion cannot be possible. Understood? And then I said that and submarine platform not possible to find everywhere. जितने भी corals बन रहे हैं, it is not a submarine platform, and then like in a flat platform is in a found everywhere in the world. So how do the all other several I said that submarine का मतलब समझते हैं ना, submerged platform we have to find, and I said that how do the others are forming without such kind of platform existence. Lagoons might be filled up with the deposits if the land is stable, and plate tectonic theory also says that the land is what is not stable, keep on changing there, especially that the little bit changes used to take place, and reefs are found from the below 30 fathoms also. So reef हम लोगों ने देखा है due to the change in the sea level. What we have seen due to the change in the sea level, we have been able to see the formation of sea cliff structure along with the wave cut platform below till the 100 meter depth. So wave, it means that the sea level has gone till several meter below at the time of ice age. Yes. So this is the theory. This way we can be able to say again what this theory is talking about. Yes, tell me first. I said that this theory is talking about that the standstill theory, and in this standstill theory that he said that the sea level is fixed, and then I said that continent is also fixed in the form of submarine platform is fixed. Understood? And then he talked about also that the corals started living above the 60 meter. Then after supposing these 3 points, he said that submarine platform, I said that can be, if it is above the sea level by erosion, it can be, sea platform can be made up to, I said 60 meter depth. It is again criticized because there is no such a sea waves can be possible which can make the platform till the depth of the 60 meter. Another, he said that if the sea level, if the submarine platform is below the sea level, by deposition we can be able to do. These other things are there, and thereafter he said that on such submarine platform, then the corals under 60 meter, 30 fathom, 180 feet, they started growing upward. When they growing upward, then its initial formation is, I said that, fringing reef, and thereafter outward growth led to the formation of barrier reef, and further outward growth and surrounding the island or geographical region, it is able to create atoll. Understood? These are the things has been said. And the lagoon side, he said that lagoon side corals are dead. Understood? If the lagoon side corals are completely dead, then they will completely convert into debris, and then they will fill up along with the landslide debris, and then this side, which one I said that coral side, it will fill up, and then they can be able to affect the outer growth of the corals through the, I said that, tidal inlet. Through the what? Tidal inlet, it can go this side, and then this kind of mixing of and reducing the intensity of what? Coral formation, and then hindrance provided. और evaluation में हमने क्या देखा? Submarine platforms are not possible to find such what he has talked about, and marine erosion cannot be possible up to the depth of 60 meter, and then lagoons might filled up over the such, if it is saying deposition if the land is stable, and then if the land is not stable, then there is a possibility there, if it is in a growth is upward, if the land stable नहीं है, growth is upward, the lagoon keep on increasing. जो हम लोगों ने देखा कि lagoon क्या है, अभी हमने डेविस डार्विन में क्या देखा, if the land is subsiding, the coral is keep on growing outward and all. This side is in a deep lagoon, and that has maintained the depth by deposition of which one I said that, debris from the land side, and then further debris from the which side I said, corals. This way we can be able to maintain the depth of 60 meter. But according to him, the land is still that debris will keep on coming and filling the lagoons, and then ये filled up हो गया, जैसे ये filled up होगा, what it becomes a land kind of part. and now the water will go and outer coral started, what is an then it will started flooded, and then through the inlets, what the inlet water will go, land part will go, sediments will go, and then inhibit the growth of, I said, further outward sea. This side ye pura filled up ho gaya, it has been filled up, then their water will come from here and it will start, what is causing what, inhibit the growth of outward growth of what, corals. So these are the things are there, and then you can write, लेकिन जब मैं यहाँ आऊँगा तो I'll explain it. This yes. Lagoon नहीं, उसमें क्या हो रहा है? Still it is going on and the debris is filling up. Therefore the lagoon depth is maintained. बताया तो था मैंने अभी. Lagoon depth is maintaining because what I said, that outward growth of the corals are there. Lagoon is becoming deeper and deeper, but it's maintaining the 60 meter depth by depositing the debris from, लिखा हुआ अभी भी, lagoons with the debris from corals initially, और उससे पहले lagoons with the debris from continent and corals लिखा हुआ है, that it is coming and maintaining the depth. Understood it? So उसमें they are maintaining the depth. ये नहीं तो ये रीजन बहुत डीपर हो जाता है, जैसे ये दिख रहा है यहाँ पे, ये रीजन क्या हो जाता है, दैट शुड बी मोर डीपर. So this lagoon has to be what, maintaining its depth because of what, the deposition of debris.